Hello everyone. This is the Frontdesk branch Odoo app, a single tool to manage a Frontdesk task for the different branches in one company. User can see only their branches and manager can see it all. Let's check how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the settings where under user and companies we can create a branches. For creating a branch, we need to give the name, company, telephone number as well as the address. After creating the branch, let's get into the user to give an access rights for a branches to the user. Now, first we need to enable the multi-branch access and then we need to give an access for a branch. Whether it will be an user or else it will be the administrator. Now, once it is done, let's get into the preferences and give an allowed branch over here. And in this, you can add a main branch. Now, as we are in Ahmedabad branch, you can see it will be in the main branch now. And in this module, it will work for each and every branches like which we have access, which is in the allowed branches state. Okay. Now, after installing this module, you can see an option named Frontdesk over here. Let's get into that. Under the configuration, you can see a stations where it will be for each and every branch wise. Now you can see we are in Ahmedabad branch as a main branch where it have an two stations. Now, if I get into an Mumbai where you can see one station is available for a Mumbai branch. Now, if you need both, no, it will be showing only the Mumbai branch which is in the main branch. If you need to filter it out based on the branch wise, yes, we have a module for that which is already available. You can see that module link in this video description. Please check it out. Now, let's get into the flow. Now we are in the main branch Ahmedabad. So let's get into the stations where we have a two station in the Ahmedabad branch. Let's get into the visitor where you can see an branch related record which is in Ahmedabad branch. Now if you switch to Mumbai where you can see a Mumbai related branches like records can be seen here. Now let's get into this and create a new visitor where it will take an Ahmedabad as a default. If you need to change to Mumbai, it will show you the warning. Like it needs to be, we need to be switch a branch from the header and set that, and you can create a record for the visitor. Now, okay. So now let's get into the one which we have created before. Now in this you can see the basic informations that we have added. Along with that you can see a drinks and also the station. The station is from the specific branches that we have, that we are in. Like for example, if I switch to Mumbai, if I try to create a new one, it will show in Mumbai related station alone. But if you need to show Ahmedabad also, so we need to have another module which is there in the description. We need to use that module to allow multi branches in this front desk module. Okay, and then here you can see a Mumbai will be automatically taken based on the main branch as a Mumbai that we have selected on the top. Now, from the view, list view, where you can see an option to filter it out based on the branch wise. Okay, and like the same way it will be same for other views too. It will be work on other views as well. Now if you get into a station, so where you can filter it out based on the branch wise, and also in the station from here itself also you can filter it out based on the branch wise. Now if I get into an Ahmedabad where you can filter it out based on the branch wise in the visitor too. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.